Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Expeditions Samurai game not launching or not opening, lagging, freezing, stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters. So select a graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once it is done, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then check if the game is opening or not. If it doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, this time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, here you have to click on change settings. Now search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, here you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will check if any update is available. Here you have to click on check for updates and wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to check enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time, and once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the driver a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time, and after this is finished, you will get setup successful message. Close this. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play the game. Next is to close background app. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check if any apps is running in the background without any use. You have to select it. After selecting it, click on end task, or simply select it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, you have to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings, Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. And once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to clear cache on Steam. So Steam users just go to Steam, click on settings. After that, here you have to click on downloads. Go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam. Simply click on confirm. After that, log into Steam using your username and password, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable overclocking of CPU or GPU. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, and after that, try to log into the game and check if it's working. Next is to adjust graphic settings. So if sometimes the graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., and this is where the game can crash or suffer from crashing or other issues. So you are suggested to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. But if the issue is still continuous, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. This will completely delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Expeditions Samurai game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.